If you're trying to connect your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone or iPad and a pop-up shows up saying double tap, here's the fix. First, make sure your AirPods are charged enough to pair. Close the lid, wait a moment, and then reopen it. If you see the status light on the case blinking orange or green, just double tap right under the light to authenticate your AirPods with your iPhone. If it doesn't verify the first time, try again. They should connect automatically. Still not working? Go ahead and reset your AirPods Pro 3. Close the lid and leave it closed for about 30 seconds. Open the lid, then double tap the front of the case while the status light is on. Double tap again when the light flashes white. Double tap a third time when the light starts flashing faster. When you see the status light flash amber, then white, follow the steps on your iPhone screen to reconnect your AirPods. And if you need the full reset guide, including cleaning the charging connectors and both earbuds, check out my complete tutorial linked in the video description and pinned comment. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guides.